So this is what the Karl Forester Grass looks like after a long winter. There are a few green blades, but it's mostly still brown. So if you've seen my other videos, you've seen me cut each blade one by one. So today I'm just going to shear it. It's the first day of warm weather after winter. So I'm just going to cut about an inch above the soil. And then you can see some of the blades are green and some aren't. I actually dug up this area and transplanted a few chunks of the grass somewhere else. Last little chunk. That's it. And that's what's left. All of this will grow into about 2.5 to 3 feet tall, maybe 4 by the summer. Here's an update on the Karl Forester grass. Look how much it's grown in under a week. It's rainy today, but actually it's been raining for the last 3 days. But that's a lot of growth. You can see right there, it's about an inch of growth in like 5 days. So the end of the yellow, like straw looking portion is where I cut. And from here up is where it grew in. But you can see where it was cut on the green tips, or on the tips, they're like browning. So that's what happens if you wait until spring to cut. Once it grows in, you won't be able to see that, but if you want to avoid that, then do it in autumn instead of spring. The only thing is if you do it in autumn, then you don't get the winter interest of the flower, the grass flower fronds throughout the winter.